What's going on, everyone? We're here at Wanna Go Fast in Ocala, Florida, having a great time. Got some beautiful cars that apparently want to go fast. Top speeds have broke 200 miles an hour already today. Believe it or not, it was not any of these German ones over on my left, but more so of this team up here from right up the block from us in Georgia. So shout out to Vengenace Racing. It's been pretty exciting watching you guys and ladies do your thing, and we're excited to be here.
We all know I'm not going to win. You're going to walk no matter what shows up. So, unless it's like another stock Ford Expedition. So, you know, we're really just looking for a show. That's all we're going to do right now.
All right, well, let's get ready, kid. Dale, yeah, baby.
All right, Wanna Go Fast in Ocala, Florida was an absolute blast. If you could do us a favor, subscribe below, follow us on Facebook, Instagram. We'll see you soon. Thank you.